station. Sister Elliot, I love talking about Prince L.A. Lewis, Emperor, yes. Emperor, yes, sir. So that's freedom, 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 so that they can speak. Yeah. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, it should be free to speak. Yeah. We need free speech so that the messenger can teach. So the people realize Babylon crooked lies. Free up your messenger, so Jaja works can reach ya. Free up your messenger, messenger of truth and right. Yeah, free the dog, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Free the dog. You should be free to speak, yeah. Free like a Marcos speech, like the Whalers lyrics. Free like Malcolm X and Martin Luther King's speech. So many lose their lives because they speak the truth. Malcolm X and Martin Luther King got executed. Still we have to free the dumb, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Free the dumb. You should be free to speak, yeah. Yes, the Orthodox teach so you can learn. Yes, I am. Yes, the Bingy man teach so you can learn. Yes, the Bobo man teach so you can learn. Yeah. Yes, the 12 tribe teach so you can learn. Yeah. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, you should be free to speak. World peace is what we're fighting for. World peace, we want the violence cease. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan, Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right just so in Jamaica, better PNP or JP, all over the whole wide world. Hey, let them set us free. Hey, world peace, world peace. Yes, oneness. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution song.
One more time, brother.
Don't you know how the cry of the people sound? Yeah, oneness. Selassie, love. Haile Selassie Boulevard. Yes, everything is everything. Emmanuel Chin, enough love. David Luther King. Yes, what a joy to be here. Yes.
Pick up the people, man.